Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, then launch dictation. Press Windows plus H. Make sure your microphone is selected in Settings System Sound and test sound levels. If you see a prompt to sign in, do it so Windows can use cloud speech for better accuracy. Once done, position the microphone, speak clearly, and use short phrases. Pauses help punctuation. Remember, this starts the service immediately. You do not need extra apps. Now you learn how to control dictation and edit while you talk. Say punctuation words for proper sentences. For new lines, say new line. To correct errors, use voice editing commands like select previous word and then dictate the replacement. Say delete that to remove mistakes. If you must change language, go to Settings Time and Language Speech, add the language pack, and select it. This keeps your workflow smooth and avoids repetitive typing. To finish, press Windows plus H again or say stop dictation and save your work. If accuracy drops, make sure online speech is enabled in privacy speech and that your microphone drivers are up to date. This often fixes recognition. When audio isn't picked up, restart the Windows audio service or run the built-in microphone troubleshooter. If problems persist, reboot and test in another app. One key tip: isolate background noise for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.